My dear students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to conduct English second paper class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic is uses of definite articles, rules. I repeat, our today's topic is uses of definite articles, rules. Dear students, look at the board. This is our lecture number 5 and SW number 4 on our annual term syllabus. I repeat, this is our lecture number 5 on our and SW number 4 on our annual term syllabus. Dear students, in our last class, we learned about the uses of indefinite articles. And today we will learn and the uses of definite articles. We all know the definite articles represents the. Okay. Now let's start the class. All of you give your attention. Uses of definite articles. The number 1, the is used before singular and plural common nouns to particularize person or things. So look here, to particularize means to indicate specific person or things. Examples, the boys are playing. So look at the common structure or common nouns here. The boys are playing. Here the is definite articles and the girl is reading. The is used here. Now rules number 2, the is used before names of rivers, sea, gulf, ocean, mountain, ranks, groups of island, ships, etc. I repeat, we will use the before the name of river, sea, gulf, ocean, mountains, ranks, group of islands, ship, etc. Now look at the examples. The Andamans. So look here, that means mountains of ranks. It is the Andamans. Group of islands. Okay, it is group of islands. The Himalayas, the Pacific. So look at the 3 examples. Now we will go to the example number 3. So before going to the example number 3, there is one important note. Look here, but the is not used before a singular mountain or a single island. That means whenever it will be single mountain or single island, we will not use the. Rules number 3 now. The is used before names of the holy books. So look here, that means before the name of holy books, we will use the and newspaper. Examples, the Holy Quran, the Observer, okay, the Daily Pratham Alo, the Daily Ittifaq, etc. These are the Observer is an example of newspaper and the Holy Quran is a holy book. We all know this. Now rules number 4, the is used before singular nouns referring to things of which only one exists, such as the earth, the sun, the moon, the east, the west, the north, the south, etc. So dear students, here the important things is that whenever it will be only one exist, such as the earth, the sun, the moon, the east, the west, the north, the south, etc. These are the only one exists. In this connection we will use the articles. So look here, the sun, the moon, the earth, the pole star. So look here, I am telling again, the earth, the moon, the earth, okay, the pole star. The is used in this way is called familiar the. Okay, that means in this way we call the is called the familiar. Now rules number 5. The is used before descriptive or significant geographical names. So look here, that means we will use the before descriptive or significant geographical names or locations. Example, the USA, the Punjab, the USSR. These are the names of the significant geographical locations. Now we will go to the rules number 6. The is used before the names of nation and community. That means before the names of nations and community, we will use the. Examples, the English, the rich, the poor, the pious, the Muslims. One important note, nations and community are plural common nouns and take a plural verbs. Okay, that means whenever it will be the rich, we will use this verb are. The rich are, the poor are, the pious are. So look here, it is common nouns and take a plural verb. the rich are, the pious are, the Muslims are. Now rules number 7. The is used before adjectives in the superlative degree. That means whenever it will be in the superlative form, okay, we will use the before adjectives. Examples: he is the best boy in the class, or she is the best girl in the class. Now rules number 8. The is used before nouns to indicate a profession. Whenever it will represent a profession, okay, of persons, we will use the. So look at the examples here. He joined the army. So look at the profession. It is the army. It represents a profession. Rules number 9. The is not usually used before materials noun. However, the is used to indicate speciality or place of origin. So look here, that means normally we do not use the before material nouns, but whenever it represents or it indicates speciality or place of origins, we will use the. Examples: the perfumes of Saudi Arabia is famous. So look here, normally before perfume we don't use the, but whenever a specific place, for example Saudi Arabia, so look at the speciality, it is Saudi Arabia. That means in that case we will use the perfumes of Saudi Arabia is famous. Now rules number 10. The is used before names of noted public and historical places. It is noted public and historical places. So look here, examples: Ibrahim Lodi was defeated in the battle of Punjab, Panipat. Ibrahim Lodi was defeated in the battle. So look here, before battle it is written here the. Okay, that means it represents the historical places, the battle of Panipat. Now rules number 11, look here, the is used before musical instruments. So before musical instruments, here it is written piano. So he plays the piano. So look here, before musical instrument we used here the. Rules number 12, this is the last rules, okay, of uses of definite articles. The is used before certain proper nouns with adjectives or before the structure noun. For example, noun plus of plus proper noun. Look at the example: the National Zoo at Mirpur. So look here, National Zoo before adjective, so that means the national science. Okay, before adjective we have used here the fort of Lal Bagh, the fort. Okay. So I think all of you have understood the uses of definite articles. Now we will go to the omissions of articles. That means where we will not use the or articles. So look carefully. Omissions of articles. Number 1, the words mosque, bed, church, hospital, prison, school, college, university, court, etc. take no article when we think of the use made of the building of object or are used for primary purposes. So whenever these things will be used as a primary purposes, we will not use articles. So look at the examples. Okay, to look at the examples we will go to the next page. So look here, examples: after I leave school. So look here, there is no articles. I want to go to college, there is no articles as a student. Mr. Rohim is in prison for a murderer. So as a prisoner he is in prison, there will be no article. Mr. Karim goes to mosque on Friday. Normally we go to mosque on Friday to say our prayer. So there is no article. However, when these words are used for special purposes, these are for primary purposes. But whenever this will be used for primary purposes, they take the before them. Okay, I think all of you have understood here. Now rules number 2, omission of articles. Rules number 2, no article is used before names of streets, avenues, squares, buildings, parks, etc. That means before streets, avenues, square, buildings, parks, etc. we will not use article. He bought a shop in Park Street. So look here, there is no article. He bought a shop in Park Street. However, the is used of the word road is mentioned at the end of a name of a road. So look here, whenever at the end of a sentence it will be written road, we will use there the. He bought a shop on the Mirpur road. So look here, at the end it is written road. So in that connection we will use the. Rules number 3, the is not normally used before proper, abstract, material and plural common nouns. So look here, in the connections of proper, abstract, materials and plural common nouns, we will not use the. Example, Dhaka is a popular city. So look here, there is no the. Forgiveness is a great virtue. Forgiveness, it represents abstract noun. Iron, material noun. So look here, iron is a useful material, cows gives us milk. These are very common examples. I think all of you know this. Now look here, however, the is used before plural common nouns when they are particularized, when they are specialized. Okay. Yes. Okay. Look here, the is not normally used before proper, abstract, materials and plural common nouns here. So look at examples. Dhaka is a popular city. Forgiveness is a great virtue. Iron is a useful metal and cows gives us milk. So look, however, here, the is used before plural common nouns when they are particularized or they have speciality. The women in the hall are all in red sari. So normally women represents common noun. Normally before common noun we don't use articles the, but here it represents a speciality. The women in the hall are in red saris. The flowers in these gardens are fine. So look here, the flowers, the women, these are the things. Note, the is used before proper nouns when they are pre-modified by title words. So look here, the poet Nazrul is our pride. Pre-modified, the poet. The Khalif Omar. Normally Omar, it represents a common noun. No, not it is proper noun, but whenever it is in Khalif or Khalifa, it is written Nazrul, but it is written here poet. So as the word poet pre-modified word, then in that connection we will use the. So look here, the is used here, here also the is used. The is used before abstract noun when they meant no quality, or rather they meant the persons having that quality. Abstract nouns used in this sense can also be plural. So example, Nazrul is the glory of Bangladesh. So look here, glory, abstract idea, but it is written here the. The crimes committed by the rulers are unpardonable. So the crimes, abstract idea, crimes committed by the rulers are unpardonable. Look at the fourth example. No article is used before names of language. That means we will not use articles before language. English is an international language, Bangla is our mother tongue, but we will not use articles here. But if the word language is used after the names, the definite article the is used. Example, the English language is very interesting to learn. The English language. Look at the speciality, language is used after the names, English. Okay. No article is used before singular common nouns in the phrases. So look here, he went there on foot. So on foot in the phrases, there will be no article. He begs from door to door. So look at the phrases, there will be no article. Look at the last example of omission of article, 6 number. When two or more nouns joined by and refer to the same thing, article is used only before the forest, but if they refer to different persons or things, the article should be repeated before each. Example, the headmaster and secretary, that means they are the same person. Here only the will be used before. The headmaster and the secretary is present in the meeting. So look at the last example, the headmaster and the secretary, that means two persons. Here headmaster is one person and secretary is another person. So dear students, look at the end of our board. It is written here uses of definite articles. So look here, your SW is uses of definite articles rules 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 rules you will do as your SW. So look here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 will do you as your SW. So look here, I have written here uses of definite articles rules 1 to 6 with examples. Okay, don't forget to write with examples, and this will be our 4th number SW. This will be our 4th number SW. Dear students, now I hope that all of you have understood these important classes. Okay, keep practicing at home and do your SW in your specific SW copy and abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah.